Here you have Osamu Dazai.
In this video, I will reproduce Osamu's haircut and style in both smooth and wavy.
Dazai, roll the tape!
To begin, I will establish the length of the perimeter at the nape area. I will leave it 3 fingers long from the hairline, cutting using the razor with freeform. If you prefer to use the scissors, you can cut using the point cutting technique on the same line. On the sides, using the jaw line as a reference, I will shape the section with the razor, using long passes, creating a graduation of 2 fingers passing the jaw. Connect the sides with the back by cutting a diagonal back. Make sure that both sides are well balanced. To recreate the look of the bangs, condense the hair with your fingers at the nose, and with the razor carve it into a point. Connect the short parts on the bangs with the length of the sides. Repeat the same technique on the other side. To cut the layers on the interior part of the haircut, I will start by creating a guide at the top of the head, using this technique with the razor cutting from one side to the other. In the sides, I will use this incremented cutting line as a guide, and I will continue the same cut line around the head. If you decided to use the scissors versus the razor for this haircut, cut the same angle by sliding the scissors from the top down. To cut the graduation at the lower part of the neck, I would use this angle. Take a look at the iPad and check out the shape of the layers and the angles that I'm creating. Add direction and texture on the interior part of the haircut, in the crest area with the razor. Unify the layers we did on the top with the sides. To make the bangs more dramatic, I will cut a few short strands in the corners, near to the eyebrow. This way I will leave the center and leave it longer. You can also cut a regular bangs from one side to the other at the same length, and then use a centerpiece from the top, going forward over the bangs in a point. This way you will achieve the same look, but you will be able to actually put the hair out of the way so you don't have all the hair coming forward on your face. Continue to add movement to this style where you artistically feel is best. This haircut is very easy to style, and if you have wavy hair, it's ideal for you. Let the style dry naturally or use a towel. Style the hair with your hands and scrunch the hair between your fingers to give a shape. This style with texture and waves looks great and is very fashion forward. If you want it smoother and with more volume like Dazai, dry it with the blow dryer and then use the round brush to shape it into the style. I will do a few twists to customize the style. This style is ideal for round, oval, diamond and triangle faces, but not so flattering on square and rectangular faces. This is a unisex style and both women and men will look great with it. If your hair is curly, use the scissors instead of the razors to cut it, and leave it a little bit longer, especially at the bang area. If your hair is very straight or smooth, add some extra texture and add some product as well to give it more volume, like clay.
This is Ángel del Solar, the hairbender.